Start normaling the API legacy by turning all gain knobs counterclockwise to 0. Many buttons on the API legacy are accompanied by LEDs that will illuminate to show you that a switch is engaged. These switches will be disengaged as each channel gets normaled. Always make sure phantom power is disengaged before unplugging any microphones to reduce the risk of damage. Disengage your high and low pass filters. The low pass knob will be turned clockwise to 20 kHz and the high pass knob will be turned counterclockwise to 20 Hz. In the bus assignment module, make sure all buses and pan control switches are disengaged. The 4-band EQs will also be disengaged. High, high-mid, low-mid, and low-frequency bands will be set to 6 o'clock by using the smaller blue knob. The larger gray knob on the bottom is gain for each frequency band. These will be set to 0 or 12 o'clock. Next is small faders and controls on the input module. To start, all phase switches, pads, direct switches, inserts, and anything else shown engaged by an LED will be disengaged. Trim pots should be set at 0 or all the way counterclockwise. All small faders get pulled down and pan pots are set to 0 or 12 o'clock. In the auxiliary send section, auxes 1 through 6 should be turned counterclockwise to 0. Auxes 7 through 10 are stereo. Therefore, only the smaller knob, which is your level, is set counterclockwise. The larger knob, which is a pan, is set to 12 o'clock or 0. Channel pan pot should be turned to 12 o'clock and any mutes and solos should be disengaged. Last step for channels is to pull all large faders down. In the master section, many LEDs will remain engaged, including those in the multi-track summing bus masters and monitor control section. Disengage all Grand Master assigned switches, along with those in the aux send master and Q master sections. Knobs are turned counterclockwise. Disengage all solo modes and controls. Control room level knob is turned counterclockwise to 0. Finally, patch cables can be pulled from the patch bay. Make sure to pull cables from each end to reduce strain on the cables and patch bay. Never pull cables from the middle. Patch cables are stored neatly next to the patch bay.